This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peach tea. First, gather your ingredients like canned peaches, black tea, sugar, and water. You'll start by preparing the peaches, draining and slicing them for easy blending. Next, brew your black tea to your preferred strength, ensuring it's robust enough to stand up to the peach flavor. Finally, combine everything and chill for a refreshing drink. Let's get started with the preparation. Begin by draining one 15-ounce can of sliced peaches, making sure to reserve about 2 tablespoons of the syrup for later. Then, slice these peaches into smaller, more manageable pieces. For the tea, steep 2 black tea bags in 2 cups of hot water. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a good, strong flavor, then remove the tea bags. Now it's time to bring all the delicious components together. In a pitcher, combine your sliced peaches, the freshly brewed black tea, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. For an extra layer of peaky goodness, add 2 tablespoons of the syrup you reserved earlier from the canned peaches. Stir this mixture thoroughly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Feel free to taste and adjust the sweetness to your personal preference. Once everything is mixed, refrigerate your peach tea for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a truly refreshing beverage. Serve it over ice, perhaps with a fresh peach slice for garnish. For a truly comfortable experience, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. You can store any leftover tea in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, but it's so good, it might not last that long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.